Welcome back to the checkout guide. In this tutorial, I will tell you how to apply 10% off up to 50 on all orders in your Shopify account. So if you are new to the channel, then don't forget to hit the subscribe button. So for this, I have used Next Capping Discounts from Shopify App Store. I have also attached the link of this app in the description box. You can check it out. Once installed, then click on Next Discounts app. Then click on Create New Discount. You can enter the discount title. You can copy that discount title and you can select discount code and enter the same discount title as a discount code and enter the percentage 10 and you can enter the capping amount 50. You can select discount applies to all products. If you have any minimum purchase requirements, then you can select that. I have no minimum purchase requirements, so I am selecting this. You can also select the customer eligibility like all customers if customer has tag. So I am selecting all customers. You can limit number of times this discount can be used in total. You can also limit it to 1 use per customer. You can also select the start date, time and end date and time. If you want to combine this product discount with order discount, shipping discount or product discount, then you can select that. Then save your changes. Now go to discount section. So here you can see discount has been added. By the way, if you are new to the channel, then don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Let's test this setup on our online store. Go to catalog. Now we will add product to the cart that is lying in between the capping amount. Buy it now. Now we will enter the full address. Now we will enter the discount code here. Before that, so we can see the 10% of 200 is 20. So now we will enter the discount code here. You can see discount code has been added. So you can see 20 is now deducting. The total savings is only 20. Now we will enter the product to the cart which is more than the capping amount. Firstly, we will enter the full address. So 10% of 1250 is 125. Now we will enter the discount code here. You can see the 10% of 1250 is 125, but still it's not exceeding the amount because we have added the capping amount as 50. So that's it. You have successfully set up how to apply 10% off up to 50 on your Shopify account. So if you are new to the channel, then don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. Thanks for watching and happy selling.